Ever struggle with muddy, unclear earphone sound? Music details get lost, vocals sound flat. Commuting, working, or relaxing, sound just isn't crisp. Long listening sessions become uncomfortable fast. Cables tangle, break, or wear out too soon. Earphones slip out, never fit quite right. Distracting background noise ruins your focus. You want rich, clear audio, every single note. Introducing the Linsol KZ ZSN Pro X. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Upgraded hybrid dual drivers for pure clarity. Custom 309.5 balanced armature plus 10mm dynamic driver. Expert acoustic tuning for flawless sound balance. Hear flexible lows, smooth mids, and bright highs. Human voices sound richer, clearer, more detailed. Experience music like you're at a live show. High-end acoustic tech delivers wide-frequency response. Dual magnetic driver boosts low-frequency power. Reduced eddy current loss, increased sound accuracy. Brand new zinc alloy shell, modern, stylish, durable. Streamlined metal and resin design stands out. Choose from fresh, eye-catching color options. Improved 0.75mm or 2-pin detachable cable. Slot protection design prevents pin breakage. Easily replace cables for longer earphone life. Ergonomic curved cavity fits your ear perfectly. Wear comfortably for hours without fatigue. Superior noise canceling, up to 26 dB reduction. Block out distractions, enjoy pure sound. Let's compare. Old earphones versus ZSN Pro X. Old earphones, muffled, weak bass, harsh highs. Uncomfortable fit, constant adjusting, poor isolation. Cables fray, connections loosen, sound cuts out. ZSN Pro X, crystal clear detail, punchy bass. Smooth mids, sparkling highs, no distortion. Perfect ergonomic fit. All-day comfort. Noise canceling keeps your music front and center. Detachable cable, easy upgrades, longer lifespan. Durable zinc alloy shell resists daily wear. Stylish design matches any outfit, any mood. From commute to studio, sound stays flawless. Audiophiles. Rediscover your favorite tracks. Music lovers, catch every subtle detail. Commuters, escape noise, enjoy pure audio. No more ear fatigue, no more slipping, no more tangled, broken cables. Upgrade your listening experience instantly. ZSN Pro X adapts to your lifestyle. Switch cables, switch styles, switch moods. Feel the difference in every song. Hear the instruments as if you're there. Enjoy podcasts, audiobooks, voices are clearer. Long flights? No discomfort, just great sound. Work calls? Focused, undisturbed listening. Workout? Secure fit, energetic sound. Study? Block out distractions, stay in the zone. Zinc alloy shell. Tough, lightweight, stunning. Resin cavity, smooth, comfortable, skin-friendly. Hybrid technology, the best of both worlds. Professional tuning for audiophile-grade performance. Every genre sounds its absolute best. Plug in and hear what you've been missing. Say goodbye to ordinary earphones. Say hello to extraordinary sound clarity. Upgrade to Linsol KZ ZSN Pro X today. Experience music, podcasts, and calls like never before. Don't settle for less. Choose premium audio. Order now and transform your listening routine. Linsol KZ ZSN Pro X. Hear the difference, get yours, and enjoy every note, every word. Ready for better sound? Click to shop now. Rediscover your music, upgrade to ZSN Pro X. Your ears deserve the best. Make the switch. Linsol KZ ZSN Pro X. Sound that makes sense. Don't wait. Experience audio perfection today. Click the link in the description for the best price on Amazon. Join thousands who chose better listening. Linsol KZ ZSN Pro X. Your music redefined. Shop now and hear what you've been missing. Make every moment sound amazing. Choose ZSN Pro X.